You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. Yes, they are pronounced the same way, exact same pronunciation, surprisingly enough. Especially the bottom word here is also pronounced. You is how you say it. It's a female sheep. You is how you say it. It looks like it should be pronounced Ewe. No, it's just pronounced like Y-O-U, you. How to pronounce in English, English pronunciation, you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.